Okay, so here we are in Power School, and I'm just going to scroll down just a little bit. You can see you have the Canvas site that you can get to, the passcode for Zoom. If you click here, it will open up into Zoom. We have our red schedule that we've been working on and my contact info. But if we scroll down, you will see that there's this wonderful place called View right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on View. And then what opens up is a score comment. So this person is missing notes 10, 11, and 12. 10, 11, 12. So I click right here on assignment description, and that will tell me exactly what 10, 11, 12 notes are. Okay, so once again, over here, let's see here. This person missed a Zoom session. So I go over here to View, and in the assignment description, it tells exactly what this person will need to do in order to get the points back for Zoom. All right, so you know, just by looking at this, you can just go here and get the information that you need without going to Canvas if you wanted to. So once again, click View. This is my comment, and my comment is basically missing 10, 11, and 12. So then I come over here to the assignment description, and here are all the listings of the notes. And so this person will have to do notes 10, 11, and 12. So I hope that helps you understand what's going on in regards to the notes or in regards to any of our assignments. Click the View because you can always get more information there. All right, thank you.